Welcome, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am Varun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Jazira Maharali Model High School, Jazira Suretpur. Presentation English second paper, class 6 to 9. Follow the sentences. He is in the school. Isn't he in the school? Everybody wishes to be happy. Who does not wish to be happy? He played football. Didn't he play football? Dear student, see the sentences. Assertive. It is a very beautiful place. Exclamatory. What a beautiful place it is. Assertive. The man is very honest. Exclamatory. How honest the man is. Assertive. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Exclamatory. Had I the wings of a bird. Let's discuss transformation of sentences in today's class. Assertive into interrogative and exclamatory into assertive. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, we will be able to define of assertive and interrogative sentence, define exclamatory sentence, change assertive into interrogative and exclamatory into assertive. If the sentence is affirmative, when the converting the assertive sentence with the auxiliary verb to interrogative without changing in the meaning. Structure to be verb and plus subject extension plus question mark. He is absent from the meeting. Isn't he absent from the meeting? You can do the work. Interrogative. Can't you do the work? If the assertive sentence is negative, the structure will be auxiliary verb plus subject plus extend plus question mark. He is not a good student. Is he a good student? Rule 3. When converting to assertive sentence in sentence interrogative without auxiliary verb, according to subject and tense, don't, didn't, doesn't. Subject plus verb on plus next part of the verb plus question mark. He played football. Interrogative. Didn't he play football? He likes ice cream. Interrogative. Doesn't he like ice cream? Rule 4. Never replaced by ever. Nothing replaced by anything. I never drink tea. Do I ever drink tea? Rule 5. Everybody, everyone, all, replaced by who plus don't, doesn't, didn't plus beyond plus the next part of the verb plus question mark. Assertive. Everybody wishes to be happy. Interrogative. Who does not wish to be happy? Rule 6. Nobody, no one, none. Replaced by who plus extension plus question mark. Nobody could count my love for you. Interrogative. Who could ever count my love for you? Who can do this? Man can do this. Who can do this? 7. Rule. There is a no replaced by is there any. Who, person, what, things. There is a no use of this law. What is the use of this law? Dear student, next another slides. Let's go practice. It is a good idea. Is it not a good idea? There is nothing on the table. Is there anything on the table? Nobody trusts a liar. Who trusts a liar? Everyone likes flowers. Who does not like flowers? He is a good man. Is he a good man? Exclamatory to assertive. Structure subject, verb, a, oblique an, plus very, oblique get, adjective, plus extension, plus exclamation mark. What a fine bird it is. It is very fine bird. How fortunate you are. You are very fortunate. What a fool you are. You are a great fool. If the exclamatory sentence begins with hurrah, the structure hurrah replaced by it is a matter of joy that plus extension. Example, hurrah, we have won the game. Assertive, it is a matter of joy that we have won the game. Exclamatory, hurrah, exclamatory, hurrah, I have got the first prize. Assertive, it is a matter of joy that I have got the first prize. If the exclamatory sentence begins with alas, the structure alas replaced by it is a matter of sorrow that plus extension. Exclamatory, alas, we lost the game. Assertive, it is a matter of sorrow that we lost the game. Exclamatory, alas, he failed in the examination. Assertive, it is a matter of sorrow that he failed in the examination. Dear student, do you understand? Had, where, if, would, that, replaced by I wish, plus subject again, plus where, oblique had, plus extension. Had I the wings of a bird? I wish I had the wings of a bird. Exclamatory, I were a bird. I wish I were a bird. Exclamatory, if I were young again. Assertive, I wish I were young again. Would that I could be a child. Assertive, I wish I could be a child. Dear student, home activities. What a nice flower it is. Assertive. Third. Next sentence. What a genius student he is. Assertive. He likes white dress. Interrogative. They drank salty water. Interrogative. Next sentence, dear student, alas, we lost the game. Assertive. Next sentence, alas, he failed in the examination. Thanks to all.